that black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I'm back at it with another DIY. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', poo, what it do? So y'all, I like to get right into the video over here, but if you're new, go ahead and join the fam. Y'all, we like to do a lot of DIYs over here, lifestyle, beauty, like we do it all. And it's not too late to join the fam. We on the road to 5K, so go ahead and subscribe. But let's get into it, y'all. So I had these old two Nike little, whatever you want to call them, and I had these from high school, y'all, and I just love the purple. I haven't been wearing them, and I had them in my closet, so of course y'all already know I had to come up with something. So right now I am basically just tracing out like the bra parts. Y'all, this video was super fast. It was super easy, very beginner friendly, but if it's too fast, let me know and I will if you have any questions, basically just ask me down in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And also follow me on all of my social media platforms. Y'all, I went viral 2 weeks in a row on TikTok and Facebook. That was so exciting. Okay, so right here I already had tried it on. I am hemming up the skirt part. So I am using, y'all, I actually made that blue little bra piece with another outfit. The OGs, they know, y'all know, but if you don't know, go watch that video as well. It was super old though. So right here I am basically making my straps, y'all. I showed y'all this so many times. If y'all don't know how to make these, then y'all have not been paying attention. So I did that for 3 straps, and we just gonna literally sew down. And of course, y'all know y'all want to have everything inside out when you're sewing. And I am using my loop turner to turn it around. And I am sorry that I am talking this whole video, but it's only 5 minutes. So yeah, so now basically we're gonna just go ahead and hem up everything, and I'm gonna kind of let y'all enjoy for a little bit, and I'll be back. So y'all, I do have a detailed video on how to do the bra part, but anywho, I hemmed up the bottom as well, and you want to of course leave a hole so you can put your straps through. So first off, I'm gonna attach the straps to the top. Oh my god, sis, like I've been so busy, like literally like busy with custom orders, trying to live my life, just trying to be great, y'all, being successful. Y'all, let me stop playing. But no, y'all, being successful is not hard, y'all. I've been working trying to get y'all videos up every Wednesday, and I hope y'all rocking with me, you know. But right here I am going to hem up this little piece. You're gonna cut this extra little fabric off right here, and you want to leave a hole right here so you can feed the strap through. Okay, but yeah, y'all, I am not coming to play with y'all this year. This is my year. But anyways, you're gonna take a pin, attach it to the strap. Y'all, I showed y'all this 1,000 times. If you don't know, you know now. But pull it through, and y'all, this is it. This is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. I'm trying to get to 10K on TikTok, and I'm trying to get to 5K on here. So run them up. So let me know what y'all want to see next. But yes, I slay all day. Okay. But yes, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'm out. Peace.